The classic or traditional way to measure moisture content is to take a sample, weigh it, bake off all the water in an oven or in a loss-on drying machine, and then weigh the sample again. That's not necessarily a bad way, but that method does have its limitations. There is really no way to be confident that all of the moisture has been baked off. And perhaps even the bigger problem is that there is no standard to measure against to be confident that all of the water is gone. So a lot of customers or a lot of people who need good moisture content accuracy have turned to Carl Fisher. And I talk to these customers every day, and a lot of them are very frustrated with this method. The instrument is very expensive, the reagents are expensive, and the process can be very labor intensive, and the instrument also can be very touchy. You can have two different people testing the exact same sample on the exact same instrument, and they're going to get two totally different results based upon how they set up the experiment and how they set up the reagents for the test. We wanted to make an instrument that was very reliable, very repeatable, and could almost match the accuracy of what our customers are getting with the Carl Fisher instruments, but we wanted it to be much more bomb-proof than the Carl Fisher instrument. We wanted to do it in 5 minutes or less, so we asked ourselves, how can we leverage what we know about measuring water activity into making or coming up with a better way to measure moisture content? So the beautiful thing about Duo is here you have an instrument that doesn't burn up anything, it doesn't use chemicals, it doesn't use reagents. It's a complete non-destructive method. The sample comes out looking exactly the same as it did when it went in. You simply have a good, accurate moisture content reading. Duo hasn't destroyed anything, it's just measured it. Duo also makes moisture content a verifiable number. You can compare your measurement to somebody else's and know you're measuring the same thing because you're using the defined standard of water activity. Water activity has a defined set of verification standards that ensure or guarantee that the instrument is reading within its defined parameter of specifications. Duo isn't the right instrument for everybody. If you are testing different products every day, and if you have a moisture content value of 40% or higher, Duo is probably not the right fit for you. But if you're testing a set number of products with lower moisture content readings, Duo is actually the perfect instrument for your application. It can give you Carl Fisher accuracy in a test that takes 5 minutes or less, and you don't have to have any special training to use this instrument. Contact an AquaLab representative to find out if Duo can simplify your moisture testing program.